To connect earbuds or headphones into your HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, first of all, you will have to enter for the pairing mode on your device. So in most cases, when you got earbuds, you can find some kind of the button on the charging case, place your earbuds inside the case, and wait until the indicator of your charging case starts blinking. And then keep it open with the both earbuds inside. Next, on your watch, you will have to go for settings, then move to the Bluetooth, and here just wait for the scanning process, and from available devices select your earbuds. Wait until you will be connected, just be patient, and after a few seconds, here we are. So just wait for this connection. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to be connected, but sometimes you will be connected like automatically. So you just have to be patient and wait for it. If it is not working, then you can sometime reboot your device. So basically turn it off and on. As you can see in my case, the simple solution to go back and then enter one more time, it's actually working. And yeah, that's all for this video.